In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up form on Hubspot. Whether you're looking to capture leads or promote an offer, pop-up forms are an essential tool for engaging with your audience. Let's dive in and go through the process together step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot website, fire up your browser, and navigate to the Hubspot homepage. Once there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the Login button. Click on it to access your account. If you're already logged into your Google account in the same browser, select Sign in with Google to quickly sign into HubSpot without entering additional credentials. Now that you're logged in, it's time to start creating your pop-up form. Navigate to the Marketing tab on the HubSpot dashboard. You'll find this at the top of your screen. Clicking on Marketing will reveal a drop-down menu where you should select CTAs. This, in HubSpot terms, stands for Calls to Action and is where you will manage and create all your pop-up forms. Once you are on the CTAs management page, take a look at the top right corner again and click on the Create button. This will open a wizard that helps you set up a new pop-up form. The first choice you'll encounter is selecting a template. HubSpot offers a variety of pre-made templates that you can choose from, each designed to suit different needs and styles. Take a moment to browse through these templates and select one that best matches your campaign goals. Once you're satisfied with your choice, hit Choose Template to proceed. With your template selected, you're now in the editing phase. This is where you can truly customize the pop-up form to align with your brand and message. The editing interface is user-friendly, enabling you to make changes to text, images, colors, and more. Take your time here to craft a compelling message that resonates with your audience. Remember, the more aligned your pop-up is with your brand, the better your chances of capturing engagement. When you're happy with how everything looks, the next step is to review and publish. Head to the top right of the editing page and click on Review and Publish. This action will guide you through a quick review process to ensure all elements are in place and functioning correctly. If everything checks out, you'll see the option to Publish Now. Clicking this button will finally make your pop-up form live, ready to capture leads or deliver your message to your audience. And there you have it, a complete pop-up form ready to engage your visitors. Pop-up forms are a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal, so take advantage of them to drive interaction and conversions. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!